Transform your ride with the Type S motorcycle or engine bay LED kit. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our Type S motorcycle or engine bay LED kit. Let's take a closer look at a remote-controlled motorcycle or engine bay lighting kit. This lighting kit comes with 8 light strips. Each light strip is 5.5 inches. Behind each light strip is 3M adhesive. Coming off the light strips are 70 inches of extension wire. This will allow you maximum flexibility for routing your wiring. The wiring goes to your control hub. The control hub communicates with your RF remote control. This will allow you to control your different light modes. Coming off the control hub is a 24-inch lead. This lead has both your positive and your negative wires. We recommend utilizing ring terminals to connect to your battery. The included RF remote control will allow you to wirelessly control color and light modes. You can also adjust brightness. The remote control comes with a pre-installed battery. We also include 3M double-sided tape. This will allow you to attach your control hub to your vehicle. Thoroughly clean the surface area before attaching any adhesive lighting. For additional installation convenience, we've also included a pry tool. During your install, stay away from sources of heat and moving parts. If you have any questions or issues during your install, please reference the manual that comes with your product, contact our customer service, or visit typesauto.com.